So 3 minutes each is my recommendation. And the next speaker is Jane Hunt.
Thank you, Sir Christopher. It is a pleasure to serve under your chairmanship and to have the honour to follow the wonderful member for Strangford. I'd like to thank all three honourable colleagues for facilitating this important debate today. I almost have to declare an interest in the member for Congleton on this topic, as Congleton is where I moved to as a child and where I grew up. As colleagues have already mentioned, the Covid-19 outbreak has impacted on society in an unprecedented way. Indeed, I have had many conversations with my own constituents who have raised their concerns about the future, not only for themselves but also for their families. They have shared their anxieties about being made redundant and the financial pressures that entails, and about their children's mental health and well-being, and the impact missed schooling may have on their future potential. Parts of Loughborough are amongst some of the most deprived in the country, so it is clear that without intervention, we run the very real risk of leaving those often vulnerable people behind, widening the disadvantage gap and placing an even greater burden on social services, which are already under strain. The importance of prevention cannot be overstated, and so I welcome that the unprecedented impact of COVID-19 has been met with an unprecedented package of support from the government. As well as the financial support available to working families and enhancements to the welfare system, significant funding has been ploughed into schools to help young people catch up, into local authorities to help the most economically vulnerable, and of course into the fantastic organisations who have worked tirelessly over the past few months to support communities. I would like to take this opportunity to mention some of the great things that have been undertaken by local people in my own constituency recently, which have contributed to the well-being of children, young people and families in the area. First and foremost, many of our teachers have worked right through the lockdown to support our children and young people. They have gone beyond teaching to ensure that emphasis is placed on young people's well-being, regularly contacting many children and their families to ensure that particularly vulnerable children are safe, cared for and able to carry on with their education. I've also witnessed schools' hard work firsthand and the impact this has had on pupils during the two recent visits. First at Rawlins Academy, where I saw the lengths they had gone to ensure that the school could open safely in September. And more recently at Cobden Primary School, where I saw how happy the children were and what fantastic work was being created by the head, the teachers and the pupils. We owe an immense debt of gratitude to our teachers and schools for all they have done. Online organisations such as Amazing Grace, which is helping to bring children back up to speed with their coursework, has also been invaluable to the area. As well as supporting the community through the initial stages of the pandemic, I've also been working with organisations which are looking to the future and on to recovery. For example, Loughborough College, Charnwood Borough Council, Loughborough Business Improvement District and Loughborough Job Centre have joined forces to help young people into work, the surest way out of poverty, by promoting the Kickstart scheme. I am thrilled to say that so far 143 job opportunities have been identified in Loughborough, and we only started 2 weeks ago. This is a testament to what can be achieved when government organisations and the public work together to support local communities, and it is this collaborative effort which will be vital going forward if we are to ensure that no one is left behind.